Hello and welcome to this session of Kabir's Car Spa. We have this BMW for Teflon Coat. On inspection, we found out that the parts were not properly aligned and the bumper had come down, which had to be repaired before the touch-up. So on inspection, we advised that we remove the bumper for repairing. On the removal, all the plastic parts were broken. So it's a very difficult task to get the parts for the BMW because they are very costly. So we went for the modification as we usually do. So on looking at the paint, there was a lot of bulge in the paint. So we went to buff some of the paint and found out that there were some cracks inside the body part. And it is a aluminium body which cannot be welded. So still we tried with the aluminium welding, but it did not sustain. So we went for the rebeating process. With the rebeating process, we could get about 95% result for the durability. So we went for the rebeating, and with the rebeating we went for the paint touch-up. After the paint touch-up, even the seats, the vinyl had worn out. The door vinyl also had worn out. So we went to replace the vinyl as well as the seat covers also. And the headlights were not working properly. Rainwater had accumulated inside because there was a leakage in the headlights. So we tried to repair them, but they were not repairable. So we had to replace them with the new lights at a very affordable rate. So it was a task job to fit the bumper and the headlights without the proper plastic holders. Anyway, with our experienced workmen, we could get a good result. And further, we went for the paint touch-up as usual and the Teflon coat. And you can see with the efforts how we have been able to restore the BMW 5 Series. So my advice to you all is, whenever you buy a car, please take a professional whenever you buy a car, because these Delhi resistant cars, they are not like our Goan brothers. They deceive. You see how they have tried to deceive. And our innocent Goans, what I can tell you more about it. So please, whenever you buy a car, please be careful. Such things can take us to a big disaster. Anyway, keep watching the video and take care of yourself. And do call us for the best service with free pickup and drop. Thank you.
How you like that? You gon' like that? Da 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 da. How you like that? How you like that? Da 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 da. Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Now, look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. Look at you, now look at me. How you like that? Girl need a doll and that's 100. 패킷 중에 100 내 몫을 원해. Come on, get some. 나 같지만 어쩔 순 없잖아. What's up? I'm right back. 방금 sweater cock back. Plain Jane get hijacked. Don't like me, then tell me how you like that, like that. 더 캄캄한 이곳에 shine like the stars. 그 미소를